Hey guys, Miss Holder here. Just going to give you a quick rundown for NTI days 21 through 25. This week you're working with the two spellings of your. These are important because just like with the twos and theirs, we live in a society today where a lot of things are done on social media or through email or text or different things that require you to be able to spell things and type. And whenever you get a little bit older and you apply for jobs or have to type a cover letter or emails to coworkers, you can make yourself look really silly whenever you don't know the correct spelling. So that's just one reason or a few reasons why knowing how to spell these things is important for you in the real world. So you've got two different spellings. Y-O-U-R means possession or ownership. Okay, so for example, you work on your Chromebook. Y-O-U-R, you have possession of your Chromebook. You walk your dog. You have possession of the dog. Y-O-U''re is just a contraction for you are. You're amazing. You are amazing. You're working from home. You are working from home. So here's 4 examples. Number 1, I'm coming to your house. You have possession of the house, ownership of the house. That's why it's Y-O-U-R. 2, do you know if you're playing tomorrow? I can substitute you are, and it's going to make sense. That's why we use the contraction using the apostrophe R-E. Do you know if you are playing tomorrow? 3, I love your truck. You have possession or ownership of the truck. That's why it's Y-O-U-R. 4, she said you're awesome. I can substitute you are in. She said you are awesome, and it makes sense. So I know that one's a contraction for you are. That's why I use apostrophe R-E. So that's the 2 different spellings. On day 21, this is what you're going to be doing. The directions are the same. You've got 2 slides, one for Y-O-U-R, one for Y-O-U''re. I've already given you the definition of the meaning over here, so your job is just to do boxes 2 and 3 on both slides. So you're going to put a picture that helps you remember what the meaning is for Y-O-U-R. So you can get a picture from the internet or draw one or whatever you want to do and paste that in there. Then in the far right column, you're going to give me a sentence and you're going to use Y-O-U-R correctly in the sentence. Same thing for this slide. A picture that helps you remember that apostrophe R-E means you are. And then you're using Y-O-U''re correctly in the sentence here. Make sure you submit that when you're finished. Day 22 is just 10 practice sentences. So in these sentences, you're just going to plug in the correct your. Okay? You can use any videos or whatever you need to help you do that correctly. Day 23 is one that I thought was really fun. You're going to create a meme, okay, as best as you can. So this is just something silly using one of these 3 topics, Andy Bashir, no toilet paper, or your favorite video game. You're going to plug yours in here, and then you'll submit it. So the only thing I want you to make sure that you do is use your at least one time in your meme. So over here in mine, I gave you a picture of Sunny kind of mean mugging us and said, you're not using me as teepee because I'm soft and white. And I used apostrophe R-E for my your. So have fun with that. Make sure it's school appropriate, obviously, and submit that for me. Day 24 is just like a little quiz online on Schoology like we typically do. It is not for a grade, so just do your best. You may use notes or whatever you need for that. And then day 25 is a free write using the story starter, when I woke up in my favorite video game. And you're just going to finish the sentence or finish the story there. However, make sure you read these directions right here. Okay? You're going to use one spelling of to, doesn't matter which one. One spelling of there, doesn't matter which one. One spelling of your, doesn't matter which one. And then label them. So you can do that by changing the font color, highlighting it, whatever you need to do, comment. But just label where you used each one of those spellings. And again, it's just one spelling of to, one spelling of there, one spelling of your. Okay? If you need me, obviously just holler at me. You can send me an email. You can call me, whatever you need to do. I love you guys. I miss you. I wish I could be with you.